beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I am extremely sorry that I couldn't post a video for a long time, and yes, I am back here with a video after a long time. So this is the no makeup look. As by the title you can see it, and I have created this look by using some of the affordable products, and I have tried to keep the products limited so that it is easy for you as well as me to create this look. And if you're following me on Instagram, I have recently posted a story that which look you want. So there was a many requests for this no makeup look. So yes, here I am with my no makeup look. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and without any further ado, let's move on to the video. As you can see by the title, this is a no makeup look. I will be starting off with my skincare. As you know, biotics are my favorite and are my current skincare routine. Off with my skincare, I will be using this Abs Goodness Green Tea Toner, and yes, I must say this toner helped me a lot in preventing my acne and scars which I was having previously on my skin. Moving on to the product, I will be using this Biodandelion Visible Ageless Serum. This serum is for all skin types. You can go with your skincare routine. These are my skincare routine, and yes, this product helped me a lot to fight all my acne and scars which I was having on my skin. I have done a video on my one brand skincare routine, that is the biotic one, and this serum is quite good for your skin. You can just go and check that video, my previous video. I will be providing you the link in the description box, so don't forget to check it. So moving on to the next product, I will be just moisturizing my skin with my favorite Biotic Bio Coconut Moisturizer. As you know, moisturizing your skin before moving on to the makeup is very necessary. I have moisturized my lips because it was drying a lot because it is winters, and I have used this Tender Care lip balm by Oriflame, and it is a good lip balm. You can go for it. And next I will be using this Lotus sunscreen. Yes, a sunscreen in winters, because yes, sunscreen is a must and a mandatory product for your everyday use, and every sunscreen should contain above SPF above 30, and this Lotus sunscreen contains SPF above 40. You shouldn't step out of the house without a sunscreen, whatever season it may be, winters or rainy season, because sunscreen protects your skin from sun damage. And yes, sunscreen is a must product whenever you are going out of the house, and every sunscreen should contain SPF above 30. The title is quite clear to you that this look is no makeup look. So for this look, I won't be using any foundation, concealer, translucent powder, contour, and so on. So starting off with the first product is this Pond's BB Plus Cream. You will be getting it offline as well as online. I'll take a little bit of product on the back of my hands, and I will be using a sponge to blend this product out. cleaning my Pond's BB Plus cream with a sponge, and next I will be using this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact Powder, and I will be taking the same sponge and I will be using it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, because these areas tend to oil super fast, on my chin, and a little bit here and there. Next I will be using this Maybelline Nudes palette, and I will be just setting my brows because I love a fuller brows. Extremely sorry, I forgot to mention the shade which I have used to fill my brows is this black shade from this Maybelline Nudes palette, and for my eyes I will be using a little bit of shimmery shade, and I will be using this shade from the same palette. L'Oreal Kajal in the shade black, and I will be just tight lining my eyes. I have tight lined my eyes because I don't want my eyes to look dull and I want my eyes to open a lot. I'm using this golden shade from the same palette, and I will be just applying it on the inner corners of my eye. This brown kajal from Essence, and I will be just using on the outer corners of my eye so that it looks more wide and open. With the help of my finger, I will be smudging the kajal a little bit. Yes, I want to mention one thing, that I have used my nails to sharpen the wings of the kajal so that my eyes looks a little bit white enough. I'm using this Deborah Milano blush, and I will be taking the same sponge and I will be just taking a little bit of product and I will be just applying it over the apples of my cheek. A natural one because this is a low makeup look. Highlighters are my favorite part of makeup, and I'm taking the same Maybelline Nudes palette and I will be taking this shade, the shimmery white sort of shade, and I will be just taking a little bit on my fingers and I will be just applying it over my brow bones. left over with my lipstick, I'm using this Huda Beauty Mini Matte Lipstick, and I will be mentioning the shade in the description box, so don't forget to check my description box. And I have almost finished this lipstick because it is my favorite shade. I want my lips to be a little bit of nudish because this is a no makeup look, so I'm taking the same compact powder and a sponge, and I will just take a little bit of product over my sponge, and I will be just applying it all over my lips so that my lipstick looks a little bit nudish. In this Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. Yes guys, this is the final look in front of you. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I think that this video was quite easy as well as the product was quite affordable as well. This was the product which was available in my vanity box to create this no makeup look. You can use your personal favorites as well, and I tried to keep the product so limited and so that I can complete this look by using a little bit of product. And you can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat as well as on Facebook. I will be mentioning all the links in the description box below, and I will be sure mentioning that one brand tutorial, the Biotic skincare tutorial. I will be mentioning that link in the description box as well. And if you like this video and enjoyed watching this video, just don't forget to give a thumbs up. Guys, if you think that this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, comment as well as subscribe to my channel. It will actually mean a lot. I will be seeing you on my next video. Till then,